I'm really proud that I've killed more innovation projects maybe than any other living human, but I didn't even know what they were. I created a process whereby the innovators killed their own thing, because I get invited to judge these innovation beauty pageants all the time, which I hate, because they're not reality-based. And it's not a very hard algorithm. So I just teach the employees how to be the judge of their own thing, and then the whole thing scales. Innovators just run it. And so they come to a 2-day workshop. What's in the box? Well, the first thing is I went and surveyed likely innovators, people that had a vague interest in innovation, for reasons they don't innovate. Why? No resources, don't know what the company wants, no time, and my manager is not going to support me because it's not my job. That's the 4 big reasons. They overwhelm all the other reasons combined. And so if people aren't innovating in your organization, that's why. Because if a big company really intends for somebody to innovate, what do? They give you an insufficient budget, unreasonable deadline, impossible specification, and a difficult gate to pass at the end, right? That's what, whether it's ordering a pizza for the CEO in the board meeting all the way to shipping a new product, it always comes with those 4 things. And so if a company, like everybody, and by the way, I surveyed everybody in our company, 90-something, or low 90%, heard the CEO say in the company meetings over and over and over, innovation is our lifeblood. It's everything to the future of this company. We're dead if we don't innovate. Did he think he was talking to you? I asked the question. 17% thought he was talking to them. They all heard him, right? So he was delivering that message with all the force of beauty pageant contestants asking for world peace, right? And so if you really intend for people to do it, give them money, give them a deadline, tell them what you want, and tell them what they have to do at the end. Start now, go. And that's all we do with Kickbox. And suddenly you get a bunch of things happening. So what are the other radical things about Kickbox? The other radical things about Kickbox are anybody can sign up to come to Kickbox, but nobody can be assigned by their boss. It's all volunteer. Bosses say, oh, I want to send my whole team. Nope. You can ask them to sign up. All volunteers. No conscripts in this army. It's not their full-time job. They get 30, 40 hours. It's all they get. And they get $1,000, which all my engineers are saying, that's not enough money to build anything. And all my finance people are saying, oh my God, $1,000 to the employee that wants it. Anarchy. And they're both right. And then so anybody from anywhere in the company, they can do any idea they want. We're a software and cloud technologies company. They can do a flying robot toy because there's no filter up front. They are the CEO of their own idea for the first $1,000. Why? Because we need them engaged in their idea. Remember, Kickbox is a psychological hack to get people to adopt a very uncomfortable, unfamiliar behavior who are inside a large organization.